Alrighty, you guys. So this section is all about building a Facebook business page. Now, so many people out there are like, I don't need a business page. It never gets any engagement, blah, 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 blah. The business page is so important. Just a few reasons that you need a business page. One, you have to have a business page if you want to run Facebook ads. You can't run ads from your personal Facebook account, so you have to do it from a business page. Two is that you want to be able to track, measure, and analyze your data. And you get all the insights from a business page. You do not get them from a personal page. So today I'm going to show you two ways that you can produce a business page basically to the best of your ability through the Facebook business platform. And this is the new layout with Business Suite. So I'm going to go actually over here to the create button and I'm going to hit create page. The page name is needed. So it's going to be Bridget Digital Coaching. The category, which is required, will be advertising and marketing. And then I will put in my description. From here, we're going to add a profile picture. I believe I have some saved in here. We'll just use my Ad Boss logo for now for a profile picture. You're going to add a cover photo. So you've just created basically the shell of your business page. From there, these are your steps. Facebook will always walk you through. I just want to point out the most important features. The very first thing that I want to point out to you guys is that you want to make sure that everything is filled out on your About section, right? So your About section, you'll find under More. You can enter your location, edit business hours, price range, website, phone number, email, send message. But this More info under this About, that's where you want to make sure that you have the most information filled out that's consistent as possible with the other platforms that you've created. That's the only section that is SEO on a Facebook business page. Then, of course, additional information. Privacy policy is really important. If you don't have a privacy policy on your website, I suggest you get one of those ASAP because you will need that for creating your business page. Now, let's say that you have a huge following on your personal page. You can take that huge following on your personal page and turn it into a business page. Now, there's a few things that I want to talk to you about in regards to this. First is you don't want to use a personal page for business. The reason why is it's highly against Facebook community standard. If you're caught by Facebook using your personal page as a business page for business purposes, you will get shut down. Second, you're not able to measure and track. You want to be able to measure and track. You're not able to run ads. You want to be able to run ads. Those are just a few reasons that you definitely want to have a business page. If you have a great following on your personal page, a business page migration is the way to go. If you don't have such a great following and you're just starting out, follow my steps in the beginning of the video to create your business page. You guys, that's all I have for you on this. I love you so much. I'm so grateful that you're here. Talk to you soon.